Trying to make my bed before going to bed. Can anybody spot where the cat is? Come on, Nina. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Come on, Nina. Come out. Come out. Nina, you were just had your butt in. Come on. This way. Peekaboo. All right, Nina, come on. Playtime over. Thank you. Now finish putting clothes away. And yet, she still won't get off the bed. Do you not understand how the bed is made, Nina? Are you purring? You need to move your tushy. Come on, let's go. All right, here we go again. I always make the bed as if she's not there, and she gets mad because she's stuck. Are you gonna come out? Oh well, she'll find her way out. Have a great Sunday night. Oh, there she goes. Have a great Sunday night, everyone. And she can't stop. Right back on the bed again. Now she's gonna find her spot at the end. Lay there. So I take it you're not going to put the pillowcases on the pillow for me then, huh, Nina? All right, say goodnight, everybody.